Well, Sushant's family is unhappy with the AIIMS findings, which say that Sushant died by suicide and not by murder, which is what they've been alleging. Sushant's family has demanded a new forensics team to probe the late actor's death. Sushant's family lawyer, Vikas Singh, will meet CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla today in the capital, requesting him to constitute a fresh forensics team. He also said that they are yet to receive the AIIMS panel report. He says that it's been 48 hours since the CBI got the report, but they haven't got a copy of it. Vikas Singh also said that the CBI should probe the family's concerns separately. Sushant's family lawyer has termed the AIIMS report as unsettling and raised questions on how the panel gave an conclusive report in the absence of the body, even when the post-mortem was done by the Cooper Hospital that was shoddy and didn't mention the time of death.
आधी मुंबई पोलिसांवरती विश्वास नव्हता, इसलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीआई को भेजा है। उसका मतलब है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं है और सीबीआई के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं है। अब उसका ऊपर अगर कहाँ जा सकता है तो इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट है हेग में, सीआईए केजीबी है।
India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal with me live. Aishwarya, the Vikas Singh, the lawyer for the family of Sushant, is to meet the CBI director today, where they're going to ask for a separate forensics probe. Is that what's going to happen today?
Well, definitely, Shiv. That is what we understand at the moment. In fact, the lawyer yesterday tweeted out and said that the report which has come out, the AIIMS report which has come out, is unsatisfactory. He was also saying that the family is not happy with what the conclusion is. Definitely, he's trying to meet the CBI director, but let me tell you, we don't have a confirmation on what time that will happen. There is a possibility that the CBI director might also turn down his request. But yes, from what we understand at the moment, the family definitely is not happy. Shiv, remember, it was the family and the lawyer who from day one have been saying that this is not suicide, this is murder, but now the report clearly says that this is a case of suicide. So definitely the family is not happy, and Vikas Singh, who's the lawyer of the family of Sushant Singh Rajput, is now trying to meet the CBI director. Back to you, Shiv.
Thanks very much, Aishwarya, for getting us the latest on that. We'll keep a track of those developments. That meeting between Vikas Singh, the family's lawyer, and the CBI's director will be taking place today. Well, after 112 days of suspense, the truth is finally out, or appears to be out, in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. You've been told so many things, viewer, over the last few weeks by some channels pretending to be deliverers of news, but have actually been peddling a completely fake agenda. Ahead of the AIIMS panel, Sudhir Gupta, who was examining Sushant Singh Rajput's viscera, has categorically denied the murder theory and termed it a case of clear suicide. Here's our report on the case facts and not fake theories.
One death, 5 theories. Nearly 4 months of intrigue. And now the dust seems to finally settle in the most talked about case of 2020. The AIIMS panel head, Dr. Sudhir Gupta, who was analyzing Sushant's viscera report for at least 3 weeks, has ruled out the murder theory and termed it a clear case of suicide.
The AIIMS chief of forensics and also the chairman of the medical board looking into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput has made it explicitly clear to the India Today group that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a suicide. He has ruled out any foul play. He has categorically made it clear that the AIIMS report, which has been submitted to the CBI, clearly says that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a case of hanging.
The report by All India Institute of Medical Sciences also concurs with the opinion of Mumbai's Cooper Hospital team that carried out autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Autopsy on Sushant Singh Rajput's body was conducted at the Cooper Hospital on June 14th. This was conducted under supervision of 5 senior doctors from the Cooper Hospital. The cause of death stated by doctors at Cooper Hospital was asphyxia due to hanging.
Insiders say the circumstantial evidence collected by the Central Bureau of Investigation also indicates It is a case of suicide and not homicide.
The Central Bureau of Investigation has relied on three important findings. First one, the forensic report on the crime scene recreation. Second one, the profiling of the suspects, including of Riya Chakrabarti. And the third one is the key witnesses who gave this statement and who were present when Sushant Singh Rajput died in the same flat. These findings were analyzed with the findings of AIIMS doctors on the viscera and autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput. And after analyzing all these findings, the Central Bureau of Investigation sources have told India Today that it appears to be a case of suicide and not a case of homicide.
From 14th of June, suicide, movie mafia, murder, money laundering, drugs. All these theories have been revolving around the death of a film star. Reporting only facts, India Today TV showed only what the agencies investigating the case told us.
Okay, there's big breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide.
On 14th of June, India Today broke the news first, which shocked the entire nation. On June 15th, the autopsy report of Sushant Singh Rajput was accessed by India Today's Divyesh Singh first.
A team of 3 doctors have conducted the autopsy of Sushant Singh Rajput. Provisional cause of death is asphyxiation due to hanging. That's the latest coming in right there. Divyesh is now joining us.
This is the mortuary where we are standing outside. It is where the post-mortem was conducted, the autopsy was conducted.
On September 29, CFSL scientist Amitosh Kumar, who visited Sushant's Mumbai residence, told India Today there is no solid evidence of murder.
पर गला नहीं घोटा गया, उसको लटकाया तो है, ये तो है कि लटका है, क्योंकि लटकने के निशान अलग आ जाते हैं, वो लटकने वाले निशान।
मतलब खुद से लटकने वाले या दूसरे के लटकाने वाले?
खुद से लटकने का दूसरे का चक्कर यही है ना कि वो अब ना तो कोई उसका पीएम रिपोर्ट में तो कुछ है नहीं।
फॉल प्ले कुछ नहीं है
अभी तक तो निकल गया। आप कोर्ट में साबित भी तो करोगे, थोड़ी किसी को ऐसे कह दो मर्डर है। अब खाली यूँ कह दो कि मर्डर, हाँ जी मर्डर है, तो वो तो मीडिया वाले नाम मर्डर गाए जा रहे हैं जब।
Responding to the AIIMS report, Riya Chakrabarti's lawyer Satish Manish Shinde has said truth cannot be changed and speculations were motivated. The CBI is likely to continue its investigation into abetment to suicide. However, the probe agency says all aspects are still open in this case, and if any fresh evidence comes to light proving otherwise, murder charge will be added. With Munish Pandey, Divyesh Singh and Anjana Om Kashyap, Bureau Report, India Today.
I want to take you back to India Today's Aishwarya, who's tracking all the developments on the ground on the back of this AIIMS report. It's a unanimous report, Aishwarya, but clearly indications are that this debate is far from settled. You know, the allegations are going to continue, the politics is going to continue. From the family side, the questions are going to be asked. So even though you have a unanimous report from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, I think the fight over Sushant Singh Rajput's death is far from over.
Well, definitely, Shiv. You know, if you look at the way in which the lawyer, Vikas Singh, has responded to this report, it's very clear that the family will not let it go so easily. He has, in fact, also asked the CBI director for time, which shows how serious the lawyer and the family are about taking this case forward. But let me tell you, there were 7 doctors in the team, and all of them point towards one fact. The report clearly says that every doctor is of the same opinion. So definitely, you know, if we talk about the panel, all of them are very sure that this is death by suicide. So definitely, from the medical part of it, it looks like it is over. But yes, the family will not let it go. That's the sense that we are getting. In fact, let me tell you, Vikas Singh is ready to take the fight to another level. He is saying that they want another team to be set up, and that team needs to take a relook at this case. So this clearly points towards the fact that the family is not letting go of this case, and they are not happy with the findings of the AIIMS panel. Back to you, Shiv.
Aishwarya, thanks very much for getting us the latest on that. India Today, in fact, spoke to the AIIMS panelist expert who examined Sushant Singh Rajput's viscera report. The panelist said that the Cooper Hospital in Mumbai did follow all the norms and denied claims of foul play in Sushant Singh Rajput's autopsy report. The panelists even said that there was no trace of poison in his viscera. Take a look.
A senior forensic scientist involved in the CBI's probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's case. You have heard him on India Today, revealing there is no evidence to support accusations that the actor was murdered.
पर गला नहीं घोटा गया, उसको लटकाया तो है, ये तो है कि लटका है, क्योंकि लटकने के निशान अलग आ जाते हैं, वो लटकने वाले निशान। फॉल प्ले कुछ नहीं है, अभी तक तो निकल गया। आप कोर्ट में साबित भी तो करोगे, थोड़ी किसी को ऐसे कह दो मर्डर है, अब खाली यूँ कह दो कि मर्डर है, हाँ जी मर्डर है, तो वो तो मीडिया वाले मर्डर गाए जा रहे हैं जब।
India Today has reached out to another expert who also visited Rajput's apartment. Dr. Adarsh Kumar from Delhi's AIIMS. He's part of the panel from the hospital's Forensic Medicine and Toxicology department that re-evaluated the star's post-mortem and viscera reports. In his conversation with India Today's special investigation team, he admitted that the AIIMS panel found no glaring holes in the post-mortem report prepared by Mumbai's Cooper Hospital. Remember, the Mumbai police declared Rajput's death a suicide by hanging on June 14th itself, the day his body was found hanging from his Mount Blanc apartment at Bandra.
ऊपर साल ने तो क्लियर कट हैंगिंग का केस दिया हुआ है इन्होंने।
आप लोग अग्री कर रहे हैं उनसे?
देख रहे हैं, हमें अभी तक तो कोई ऐसा बहुत कोई डिस्टिंक्ट कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला कि जिसको कि हम उस पर क्वेश्चन मार्क करें कि नहीं। एवरीथिंग इज कोरिलेटिंग।
ओके,
वो ओवर एंड अबव क्या है, क्या क्या शॉर्टकमिंग्स हो सकती हैं, वो विल सी।
आप दोबारा जाने वाले हैं?
नहीं, जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं,
कोई मतलब नहीं।
दोबारा किस लिए जाएंगे, कर लिया हमने जो था हमारा, तो हो गया सारा। हमारी तरफ से तो कुछ नहीं है, चैप्टर क्लोज है।
इसमें भी आपने कह दिया ना पॉइजनिंग वॉइजनिंग नहीं है कुछ भी,
तो हमने थोड़ी कहा है, तो FSL बॉम्बे वालों ने कहा है।
अग्री कर रहे हैं उनसे बेसिकली कि उनका तरीका सही था।
वो तो
सर आप लोग रिक्रिएशन के लिए सर गए थे वहाँ।
हाँ।
तो क्या वहाँ पे मतलब कि वो हैंगिंग खुद से कर सकता था? बेड और वॉल की जगह पे इतना जगह थी?
आराम से उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है।
सेल्फ हैंगिंग
वो तो मोस्ट लाइकली।
Official sources already confirmed India Today that the AIIMS panel in its report to the CBI has ruled out death by poisoning. In another meeting, Dr. Adarsh Kumar acknowledged that the Mumbai hospital, leaving aside minor issues, largely followed set procedures in conducting Rajput's autopsy.
बट उन पे एलिगेशन तो लगा कि पोस्टमार्टम उन्होंने सही से नहीं किया है।
एलिगेशन, दैट इज एलिगेशन ओनली। एलिगेशन का ये मतलब नहीं ना सच हो गया। जांच तो हम यही इसी एंगल पे की है ना हमने। अच्छा। कि जो एलिगेशन है कि वो सही है कि गलत। लोगों को जो दिखता है कि अरे इतना ब्लंडर कैसे कर दिया, बट आप जब देखते हो एक्चुअली जब आप उनके सिस्टम को देखते हो तो लगता है अरे भाई उन्होंने तो जो उनके यहाँ फॉलो हो रहा है वही तो किया है। अगर उनके यहाँ फॉलो हो रहा होता और नहीं करते देन इट इज ब्लंडर, या पर्पसली कुछ गलत करते तब ब्लंडर। जब वो सिस्टम ही नहीं उनके यहाँ देन इट इज नॉट।
जो एक फॉलो रूल
जो सेट पैटर्न है वही उन्होंने फॉलो किया। अब ये अलग बात है कि वो पैटर्न बाकी लोगों को हजम नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि सिस्टम बाकी जगह बाय एंड लार्ज डिफरेंट है।
According to Dr. Adarsh Kumar, no major lapses were found in Rajput's autopsy report.
तो बेसिकली SSR वाले में सर कुछ मिला नहीं आप लोगों को?
Nothing.
All eyes are now on CBI for its final conclusion in this high-profile investigation. With Mohammad Hizbullah and Milan Sharma for India Today's special investigation team.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.